out. Corn Dogs score. From a great hit for Sakamoto, who drives one in for the Corn Dogs.
Doug Loden drives one into left field. It is gone!
I kind of just knew Doug was going to deliver it, and he is red hot. That one is hit, potentially to the gap. Gavin Terry scores off the sac fly.
Hit high into the air. Sakamoto crosses. Schultz with the RBI. Back up the middle by Curiel. A run scores. Ball 4. And the Corn Dogs are going to load up the bases. The Corn Dogs are going to be on the run. Barry will score.
And he hits one, and that's going to drop for Sakamoto. Here comes Curiel, and here comes Puplava.
Doug Loden hits one high and deep. Gavin Terry scores. Mathias is on his horse. He's coming in. He scores.
That was hit right towards Mayo. That's going to go up the middle.
Gavin Terry, have yourself a night. And the Corn Dogs win.
Corn Dogs take an exciting one at home.